Hey guys, come make slime with me! As always, before we make some, I put my hair up, washed my hands and put my gloves on. First up, we added the glue to our mixer. Then added my favourite pigment we had, which made it neon pink. You guys can't see the secret ingredient. We added fragrance and activator to the slime. Mixed it up and this is what it looks like. So thick and glossy. This is a dragon fruit slime, so we added black crumbs to represent the seeds. The texture is perfect. Here's the finished product. It will be in the restock on Saturday the 3rd of October at 6 PM UK time.